Hello everyone, you have received your deck of cards. Today I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need to assign these cards to you and make them yours. We are going to do it on our phones today, and because I'm on Android, if I were to open my camera and try right away, it doesn't work. I have to go to the settings right here, all the way to the right on the bottom, and select QR code. I scan the card and I get to the screen right here. So you click here to activate it and you get to log in with either your Google account or Microsoft 365 account. You can also do it with your email. Once you're logged in, back to the card. You scan it, and when you scan, you get a yellow square appearing on the screen, and you can get to scan as many cards as you want to your profile. I'm going to do 3 today. Okay. All good. I link it to my profile and I get a confirmation. 3 cards have been linked to your profile. So now that it has been assigned and made mine, if anyone else gets to scan it, they get here. So I hope this video helped you. Feel free to ask if you need any help. We're happy to assist you, and I'll see you on the next one.